Welcome in this video. So in this video you are gonna see how to sell NFT on the BitGet wallet. Okay, so while you will connect your set up your BitGet wallet by your MetaMask or whatever key phrase that you already store. Okay, so anyway, you have your asset on the your online wallet. Okay, decentralized wallet. The decentralized wallet mean that created by first. Okay, couple of word. Okay, so here if you notice that I'm in now NFT option here. If you notice that here I have a couple of NFT that I got by doing airdrop. Okay, so I wanna sell, let's say, magic craft amon airdrop, amon NFT. So the threshold, the step is, you are gonna see what is the step. First, connect your wallet onto, you know maybe you are already connected, okay, with BitGet wallet. So how to look like BitGet wallet, if you wanna see here with BitGet wallet. Okay, so BitGet wallet, after coming BitGet wallet, what you need to do is just where you have your token. So connect your token and connect you where you have your NFT with wallet. Just add wallet with face. Just put on like this way. Maybe you already know everything about that. So however, so now we're gonna do how to sell. Okay, we will just do that very soon. So okay, I'm in NFT option, and here magic, and this floor price is 0.0023 23 PNB. Okay, I'm gonna sell that. Okay, its total volume is this, and floor price is 0.017. Okay, let's say click on here. I'm just showing you the process of selling. Okay, enter a uniform wallet, enter a price. The floor price is 0.06. Okay, I just put on this and same. Next, confirm to sell. In process, please don't make repeated items. Okay, now you are seeing here, it is not mine. On my item is here, and I wanna sell. Okay, okay, we are things here. Okay, we already did this thing. Here is counting down this thing. Okay, so very simple, easy to do. You can do that yourself, straightforward. See if I do that, refresh, how to go. So the thing is, share cancel. Okay, so yeah, the process is like this. If you want to sell any token, just click on here. This price is so well, 47 Ethereum volume, 0.00024. Okay, if I click on this and for sell, maybe I haven't enough Ethereum. Okay, what happened, let me see. Okay, 6 months customize. Okay, 30-day. Okay, processing, put your password, transaction for Ethereum. I haven't enough Ethereum on wallet. The same thing, you can do this thing in same way. Okay, let's say I wanna sell this one. Okay, sell, click on here. 0.006. Next, farm, and the listing request is sent. Okay, same. Okay, while anybody will buy from you, the token will be added on your address in the, it is maybe Binance. Okay, yes, Binance. So your BNB, if you check like while it will be sold, you need to check your BNB wallet and where it will be at. Okay, very simple, straightforward. So we tried to sell this thing in low price, can sell. Okay, the thing is same here. If you want to know more about OpenSea or other marketplace, feel free to write down comment. And the thing is here, I did into BitGet wallet. Okay, it is BitGet wallet, maybe you are related to that. So if you know more about this thing, feel free to write down comment. Okay, here is trending website, airdrop, open world NFTs, innovative. Everybody, like, you can see even BitGet wallet, everything about earning, even airdrop. Okay, airdrop site that are pretty much in trending, even NFT type of thing, all sort of thing you can see from here. Okay, so this is the video. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.